Hello everyone, we got a D16y7 block here, junkyard block. All of my Z6s either have a spun rod bearing, spun main, or the cylinders have some good scoring, and the machine shop can't get to it for a few weeks, so I had this lying around. I figured I'd pull the head off and see what we can do, turn it into a VTEC motor. And get the valve cover off, pull it off, and we're gonna look and see how it looks under there. Alright, would you look at that? Everything looks golden delicious. It's extremely clean. I mean, that's a nice color. Well, that one's a little dark, but overall this is an extremely nice color. So this is a low mile motor. Don't know how many miles are on it, but I'm going to cut the timing belt off, and we're going to get the head off so we can see how the cylinders look. Alright, we got all the head bolts loose. We're going to go ahead and lift the head off now and see what we got. Alright, doesn't look too bad in there. Get it all wiped down and see if we got any cracks in the liners or anything. I doubt it. Probably about a 100,000 mile motor. Very clean in the coolant system. Okay, all I did was hit it with some brake clean and wipe it out with some Walmart 1540 Super Tech I had laying around. Some cheap heavy duty oil. It's raining out and the humidity's high, so I don't want the cylinders to rust, but if you can see, it actually still has the factory hash marks in the walls, so you can see them. The reflection's pretty bad, but I can see them. And then none of those lines, those light score marks in the back, I can't get my fingernail caught in any of them. So I think this will clean up real well with the bottle hone brush that I have. And everything looks super, super clean in there. There you go. You can see the factory marks still in there. Nice hash marks. So yeah, super happy that this block worked out. Because like I said, I have a couple Z6s laying around and they're all damaged, and there's one of them. You see I honed it out, but it's got a huge scratch in it, so that's got to go to the machine shop. But that's the factory finish. Well, sorry, not the factory finish, the hone that I refinished on it, but the score mark was too deep, so that one's junk for now. And then I have the Z6 crank here, which is in good shape, so we'll see how everything looks in here. But like I said, this block probably got 100,000, maybe less on there, because it's just in really good condition. It's the OEM head gasket, so it's never been off. The head looks good. This is a non-VTEC head, don't want it. So, alright, I did rotate the assembly. It rotated smooth. And as you can see, the cylinder walls still look good down there. Just trying to get a good focus. So quick hone, we'll clean this right up. So stay tuned for the next video where we get it apart, get it clean, and inspect everything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.